That was great. And then what?
Help me count with me.
Okay.
1 scars.
2
scars. 3 scars. 4 scars. 5 scars. 6 scars. 0 scars.
Wow, you are a great magician. You don't have any more scars?
No, but they're right behind me.
Wait, you know a magician's never supposed to give away her tricks.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. Okay.